Hi guys, welcome to Athena.LOL. Today I'm with my little sister, Galaxy. What are you doing? What are you doing? So today we're gonna show you what we got from the trip. Connects? You, Connects, just lick me. What are you doing? Why did you just lick me? Ew. Yeah. So today we're going to show you what is a poppet. So, a poppet?
Where did you got these?
We got this from the trip.
Yeah.
At Halifax. Can I do this? Boop. Now we can do it over and over whenever you want. And this is a anti-stress toy. Whenever you feel stressed, you can just like pop it, 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 pop it. Because it's called pop it because it makes sounds when you pop it back and forth. Whoever wins judge on my YouTube and comment down below. I'm done. See how Kenix is doing. Do you need help? Kenix's puppet is perfect for this song. Yeah. It's kind of tricky to pop it though. Hey. No. Do you notice the cupcake one is hers? Let's try it backwards.
Go.
Hey. She's doing it two at a time. Guys, this is the results came. So I'm gonna show you the colors, what came with it. Two light pink and dark pink and bright yellow, and two like the water and yellow like the sun, and like dark pink like the and dark. So let's restart that. I'm gonna do a song about the rainbow. Light pink, dark pink, yellow, teal, blue, light pink, dark pink, yellow, teal, blue. The end of the song. The end of the song of the rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. That's the end of my rainbow song.
So are you gonna do the rainbow popsicle?
Yes.
The rainbow ice cream.
Yeah. So guys, this is what we got from our ice cream store from Quebec City. Let's see. Dark pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, brown. The end of the rainbow today. Hooray! So guys, let's do the next one. It's a rainbow. So guys, I'm gonna do the green one now. And let's start. Okay. This one doesn't really make any noise though.
It does.
Oh, that one died. Wait. All done. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna do the green one now. And let's start. Okay. This one doesn't really make any noise though.
It does.
So guys, let's do the next one. It's a rainbow. I hope you guys enjoyed the puppet video. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye. The bell button was right down here where Connect Seat is. Where Connect Stinky Diaper is.
Bye.
Bye.